What's up, mainframers? Today we're going to be looking at a classic JCL utility called IEFBR14 to quickly allocate our partition datasets for maintaining our Cobol projects. So if you're looking for a fast way to streamline your setup, then this utility is a must-have in your toolkit. If you don't have access to a mainframe, that's not a problem. I got a link in the description down below where I show you how to install the Hercules emulator that runs the MVS 3.8 software. You can install it on your system and follow along with me and start your mainframe journey today. And now that we got the introductions out of the way, let's get this job started. In mainframe development, I create partition datasets for each release version of our Cobol applications. These datasets hold everything: Cobol programs, copybooks, JCLs, and I organize them across environments like development, test, and production. Each environment gets its own partition datasets. That way, code and configs stay isolated. We can tailor setups for things like DB2 subsystems, and testing and deployment run smoothly. To speed things up, let's take a look at a JCL job I wrote to automate the creation of these datasets. It streamlines the setup process and ensures consistency across all environments. For every step of this job, I execute the IEFBR14 program, which will create the partition datasets. I have already created my development datasets using ISPF. You can find that tutorial linked in the description below. So I will focus on producing my test and production datasets. So let's get started with that. From the command line, I do a change from my development qualifier to the test qualifier, and I hit enter. And I press F6 to repeat the change. Then I type sub from the command line and hit enter. Condition code 0. And partition datasets are created. To make the next set of datasets, I just change my qualifier and submit the job. And there you have it. Want to try this JCL yourself? Get yourself a copy from the Mainframe Mojo GitHub. I hope this tutorial helped you to speed things up when you're doing your project setup. I'd like to take a moment to ask you to smash the like and subscribe button down below if you wish to see more JCL utility tutorials coming your way. And drop me a comment down below if there are any JCL supported utilities that you would like to see. Until then, I will see you later.